What options do people have when seeking compensation from an accident in Connecticut? Attorney Donald Beebe says, to begin with, a person cannot file a claim against their own insurance in Connecticut because it is not a no-fault state. Insurance companies only pay claims where their driver is at fault. In that case, they are only going to pay the person that their driver hurt, not their driver. The only exception to this is if a policy has medical coverage for a certain amount, and they will pay for the medical coverage regardless who is at fault, but that is not the normal circumstance in Connecticut. In a case governed by Connecticut law, a person does not have a choice but to proceed against the driver who is at fault and collect the money against that driver's carrier. In Connecticut, you absolutely have to have a minimum of $20,000 per person or $40,000 per accident for insurance. In other words, if one person in the car is injured, they can collect up to $20,000 against this part of the policy. If there are 2 or more people, then the total in claims that can be paid out is $40,000. Connecticut does require uninsured motorist coverage. The minimum coverage is $20,000 per person, $40,000 per accident. If you are injured by an at-fault driver and the car that you are in has, or you have on your car, uninsured motorist coverage, you will have at least $20,000, but it could be a lot more. There are other refinements to this, but you should know that there is money available. For a free phone consultation, contact Attorney Donald Beebe in Norwich, Connecticut at 860-889-5266 or visit his website at www.beebeandoneil.com.